Hey everyone, welcome to Mindful Monday. Today I've got something special for you. Today I'm going to talk about what I call flow, your flow. So what is your flow? Your flow, how I define it, is your life and how you choose to live your life. Now, I named my company the Flow Authority, and I did this for a reason. Yes, there is a little coincidence there that I'm a water engineer and I design water engineering systems, and we talk about flow all the time at my work. That's not the flow I'm talking about, but there are some amazing analogies between the flow of water in nature and the flow of your life and your daily choices. And how I tie this together is through a canyon, right? So think about the flow of water and think about something as grandiose as the Grand Canyon, or Zion National Park has a beautiful canyon. And how was that carved? That was carved from the persistent and consistent flow day after day after day for millions of years. It's amazing. Just this little bit of energy and this little bit of erosion that's happening because of the velocities in the water going against the walls of the earth, how it's carving ever so slowly this canyon. It's so beautiful, and it makes this masterpiece out in nature. Now, the analogy with this is going to be your life and how you're choosing to live it. Those daily choices, that's your flow. And you have full control over that. You can have essentially no flow. You can sit your ass on the couch, you can and you can waste your time away from TV. Guys, TV is the death of me. It draws me in. I decided today to take off my power cord from my TV, and I'm going to put that thing in the garage. This is something my friend recommended, and I'm excited to do it. I didn't watch any TV today. There was, a period of an entire year where I really didn't watch any TV, and I don't know why, but since Susan left, I've been sinking back into that trap, and it just sucks you in. And there's things like that, like video games and all sorts of things out there that can do that. And so we're going to talk about that as well. But look, these are your daily choices. This is your flow. That determines your flow. It's your habits that you form, right? These things are inching into your life and they can slowly take over. So you want to regain control of that. This is why, again, I call my company the Flow Authority, because I'm all about being in charge of your life, being the authority of your flow, and I want to help you guys be able to do that, just as I'm always continuously working on helping myself become the authority of my flow. Now, I have a slogan for this company, and it's your life, your canyon, your legacy. All right, and this is really, I love this. This is beautiful because your canyon is your legacy. So think about this so far. All of your daily choices, all of your actions you've taken in your life, your flow from the day you were born until today, that has carved your current canyon. If you were to die today, you have a legacy that you leave behind. That's your canyon, the current state of that canyon. But here's the good news. Those past choices, I don't want you to dwell on the past. I want you to focus on now, today, and the future. What can I change? What can I change in just ever small bits, little by little? What can I change in my daily actions that'll form new habits, that'll actually pull me forward toward the dream life, the vision that I want for my life, and that legacy, that beautiful, magnificent canyon that you are in full control of and you are designing for future generations to come. So what legacy do you want to leave behind? And what life do you want to lead? Do you want to live? And how can you start carving that canyon that you designed today? Don't let anybody else take that authority, that power away from you. Any negative things that have happened in your life up to this point that you've given control to, no matter how horrible, take back that control. Starting now, take back control of your life. through your daily actions and your daily choices and make those aligned 100%. Every single thing that you do, align that with your vision, with what you want your future canyon to look like. And again, I love this because of the visual. I mean, there's just so many beautiful visuals out there of magnificent canyons in nature and rock formations and all sorts of things that have been formed from simply the flow of water. And it's just perfect. Now, to help you with this, okay, there's a couple things. One, as I alluded to, I want you to think about what can I remove, even if just for this week. Commit to 1 week, right? Even this, start with a day, then a week, then a month, right? But go day after day, week after week. But start with a week. I'm committing to 1 week of no TV. Today was the first day and I did it. Boom, check in the box. Tomorrow's day 2. I'm going for 7 days no TV. I'm going to see how it goes. What can you, one thing that you can choose right now, what's one thing you can take out of your life? Take away, remove from your life that's pulling you away from the canyon that you want to create. And then the second thing is, what can you replace that negative thing with? What new habit can you build that will support your vision for your life that you want to live and support that canyon, that legacy you want to leave behind for your kids, your loved ones, your grandkids, those future generations? What do you want people to remember you by? It doesn't have to be a wealth thing. It could simply be an ideal of what you stand for and the actions you took based on that stance. It could be all sorts of things. So what can you remove from your life? And then what can you replace that with? What habits can you start building today? Habits take a long time to build. So you can do them 1 at a time, 2 at a time, you know, and do them in small bits. But you got to be consistent and persistent, and you got to have that vision in mind so you continue to do it, because some of this stuff will become mundane. You might get bored of it, and you might think, if I just ignore this for 1 day, I'll be fine. It's a slippery slope, just like with the TV. If I just watch 1 episode, I'll be fine. If I just push this activity to the next day, I'll be fine, I'll do it tomorrow. And then everything starts to stack up. And then you start to feel the stress. And then now it's just too much, and you don't want to do any of it. It's a slippery slope. So take it 1 step at a time. You're not going to change this overnight. There's no get-rich-quick scheme that actually works without a whole heck of a lot of luck, okay? So whether, again, it's wealth or some ideal of what you want to be remembered by, take it 1 step at a time. But get those things in place now. Regain control of your life. Be the authority of your flow. And create that proverbial canyon, that legacy that you created, that you designed, and you want to leave behind for generations to come.